What is up guys, this is your boy Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video we are going to do another variation of our import functions because import can have multiple scenarios. It's not always going to be as simple as having it in the same directory. There are times when it would be inside some other directory that you don't have. And that is why you are seeing this error message over here, because it is not able to find this file. The find user age is not in this directory. It is inside test directory. So it is not able to find this, and that is why it is giving me an error. So if I want to use a function that is inside some other file, that is inside some other directory, then I need to first call the directory and then import the file. So I can do from test directory. Also, one of the advantages of an IDE is that it would give you prompts for any possible matching solutions. So in this case, I can see the test directory over here. So I'm going to type it anyways. And here I'm saying from test directory import find user age. Again, this is going to give you a prompt because that is a file over there. So if I hit enter, it is going to take that file. Now we are having another problem. It says that get age, which is a function inside find user age. This is giving an error saying that it is unresolved reference, which means that it is not able to find this. It cannot find get age anywhere. The reason it cannot find is because, like I said in the last video, this is a two-step process. The first step is to import the file. The second step is to import the function. We did the first step over here. Now we need to focus on the second step. The second step is going to be to use this function over here, because I cannot say from test directory import find user age and then also say import get age. This is not going to work because from something you can only import something once. So there are two ways to do this, but right now I will show you how to do it the first way, which is you put the find user age and you put a period, and it would find all the options that are available inside that file for the functions. This is done. If I run this now, you will see that it actually ran properly. So it is able to go inside the directory, go inside the file, use this function and return the values. Now the second way, if you don't want to write this whole thing, there is two more ways you can do this. I can say from test directory import find user age as user age. So I can name it as a variable right over here and use that user age in here. So whenever I am referencing user age, it is going to find user age. You can see it highlighted because they are both the same things. That is why it is highlighted. So this is one way of doing this. If you don't want to write the whole file name, just you can do US and then use that US over here. This is one way. The second way, where we just use get age, would be from test directory, and here I remove everything and I will put a period. So once I put the period, it is treating the directory as a function and then the file inside it as a method. So if I do test directory dot, it is giving me find user age, which already exists. So I will hit enter and then it pulls out import keyword by itself. I did not put it. If I do a period, you will see this. I'm going to click this once and it will automatically put the import keyword over there, because I'm saying from this directory and file do something. So what can I import? I can import get age. So I can do get age and it would be imported, and I can right click and run, and you will see it run successfully. And the second way you can do it is, instead of doing the from, you can do import test directory dot find user age as f, and then here I'll put f dot get age, and it is going to work the same way. So that is various ways you can import a function which resides in some other file in some other directory. That is it for this video guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.